Hi, welcome to SEMA. My name is Hao. This is our new junior cars. Our company name is Little Helmet. We're focusing on junior cars, but those cars are not only for juniors, but also for us. So check this out. All the cars, we have aluminum body, we have aluminum chassis, and we have the original design from the old cars. And then you can hear the quality, you can feel the quality, and you can see the design. And for this one, it's not only for young people, it's also for the adults. You can easily get in. This car can hold up to 500 pounds. And it's very easy to get in. Take it to the right. It has a category. It has the gear, so you can go forward, backward. For this car, you can go as fast as 25 miles per hour, and the range is 30 miles. You don't have to charge it. We have real Napa leather seat. We have a lot of details on the dashboard. And as you can see, the entire body is full metal, full aluminum. So they're very strong and they're light. This is our sportier model. This one can go as fast as 45 miles per hour. And this has a sportier look, sportier design, and a more adult-friendly design. So if you want to talk in, really get in the car, and the control is the back. So you can see all the things. We have foot in the front chassis, and we have the adjustable suspension here. We have the racing car turning system. We have the gear over here, and easy get in and get out. For this car, it can run up to 45 miles per hour, and the range is 40 miles. So you can cruise it on the beach, you can cruise it in the neighborhood, and welcome to Little Helmet. Check our cars out.